Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to basically be sharing with you how to do adult marketing online. Don't tell anyone about this method. This is extremely powerful. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from doing this. And I'm going to show you some tricks of how to make money with this underground industry. This is one of the biggest opportunities of our lifetime because of the fact you can literally make so much money, such high ROIs. It's insane. So literally there's so much traffic. It's literally like the third biggest traffic source in the entire world. There's so much traffic. You will not get banned at all. These offers convert like wildfire. So if you go down here, you're able to literally, you could search up adult or like dating offers. Okay, and I'll show you what traffic sources to use, and I'll show you a bunch of networks you could sign up for to literally make so much money. And then I'll give you strategies and important details at the end of this video. Okay, so pay attention all the way throughout it. So if you go down here, these are sponsored listings, and we are on Offer Vault right here. And literally Offer Vault is so powerful, okay? You can crush it on Offer Vault. So here we are. Offer Vault will give you a bunch of offers that basically convert like wildfire, okay, for the dating niche. You can promote anything you want with adult traffic, but you just have to be super careful that you don't get banned, okay? And you won't get banned on adult. Facebook bans people like crazy, but adult networks, they'll let you do whatever you want. You could promote some of the craziest offers on earth and just make so much money. So basically, guys, just to explain, I'm making 10x ROIs every day on my investments into adult marketing. And you could do it too. All you've got to do is follow my strategy, okay? And there's actually a lot of strategies to make money with adult. But in this video, I'm going to explain some very, very powerful things. So let's dive in here. So basically, here I am on Offer Vault, and Offer Vault has tons of offers here. Some of them pay you just for per lead. Some of them pay you just per sale. Crazy, right? So basically, here we are. And all we have to do, it's very simple, is find a great high converting offer. So we can sort by payout if we choose to, and we can find a bunch of options here. Now we can keep sorting by it and find different things. This pays the most right here. This offer right here pays the absolute most. That doesn't mean it's the most important, but having something high payout is very powerful. Okay, because you could spend a lot to get traffic and be profitable very easily. So there's that one right there. I found it's on My Lead, which is a CPA network. You can sign on. Okay, and here we are right here. XCAMs is a big one. All these are big like CPA networks you can use and just crush it, okay? So you pick an offer or more and you literally promote it. And you can make so much money. You could buy a Lamborghini, you could buy a mansion, you could buy all sorts of things. You could do whatever you want because the money's so insane. So let me show you a bunch of stuff real quick coming up here in a minute, but to explain one more thing, just to remind you, you can promote gift card offers, survey offers, PayPal offers, Amazon gift cards, all that stuff. You don't just have to do dating. You can do casino, you could do crypto, you can do Forex, you could do health. Okay, you could do all sorts of things. It's just dating is the most relevant things, the most relevant like type of thing to promote to adult traffic. So if you go over here, traffic sources, you're gonna see there's a bunch of traffic sources that you could choose from. Pay per call and all this. Okay, so extremely powerful. I'm going to show you now a bunch of CPA networks. Okay, so I'm back. Basically, this is Adult Force right here. You can make crazy money here on Adult Force. because literally the ROIs can be insane. They have so many offers. They're one of the biggest networks for the offers, not the actual traffic. So these are the offers here. Now, if we go over here, this is called top offers. I'll show you real quick without having to log in. Okay? Top offers. They literally have some of the best offers for adult ever. They have high payouts, weekly payouts, everything. So I would really go with them and all these different ones I'm showing you now. This one's called VIP offers. VIP offers has a bunch of special offers you can promote with adult traffic. And you could literally make $1 million or more with each one of these networks I'm showing you now. Okay, I've made hundreds and thousands so far, and I'm only 21 with adult marketing. It's insanity. Okay, it's crazy. So this one right here, Vice offers. You just go right here, Vice offers, boom, right there. So this is a smaller network. Once again, you just need to have one offer you promote, and only sky is the limit. You can crush it with adult. Okay, so Vice offers is another option. Here's My Lead. Okay, it's called My Lead. You can literally find a great offers on My Lead. Remember that offer we saw before? Okay, here we are. So you can look at all their offers and stuff. This is a big network. They have high payout offers here and low payout offers here. Okay, so you'll find everything you need. Here's another one called AdVidi. Okay, so go look them up. They're a very good network. I'll show you them real quick though. AdVidi. Basically, AdVidi has been known in the industry for a long time. They got sweepstake offers. By the way, I crush it with sweepstake offers too, which it's like free giveaway stuff. People give their email and I make money. And you guys can do that too and crush it, okay? But Nutra's huge too, and iGaming, all this stuff. Finance for sure. And they have all of that in this network. Okay? This network right here is not just adult, but they make a lot of money in adult. So check this out. This one right here is called Crack Revenue. Okay, Crack Revenue is one of the biggest out there. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars with Crack Revenue. It's insane. Okay, they're definitely one of the top, if not the top. Okay, so definitely get an account with them if you want to make money with this underground opportunity that's so crazy. Next, to get traffic, all you need is this right here. So Traffic Junkie is one of the main ones, okay? And you can run on some of the biggest sites in the world for so cheap. It's like 0.003 per click, cents per click. And it's like 30 cents per 1,000 views on your ad. Okay, that's just banner advertising. There's pop under traffic, all this stuff. And there's even more stuff. And basically, guys, I'm going to explain my strategy at the end of this video, so stay till the end, but I'm going to show you some more traffic like sources you can use right now. Okay, so here is another traffic source right here, ExoClick. And they are by far one of the biggest, if not bigger than Traffic Junkie. ExoClick basically has some of the most sites beneath them that they use to send traffic. It's crazy, okay? So as you can see there, and there's so many ad formats. Let me show you real quick. They've got Interstol, they got push, email, video, they got pop unders, native, banners, all that. And each one of these literally could make you $1 million a month. All you need to have is a good offer, if not offers, in your funnel, okay, to promote. You just need to do everything good. If you can persuade and convince and market well, you can crush it. Sky's the limit. I have campaigns I'm running that are making just 10x ROIs every day. It's insane, okay? And you could do it too. Like, this is one of the easiest industries to get into, guys. No one talks about it. I'm here to talk about it. And right here, Traffic Factory. Dude, you could crush it with Traffic Factory. They have some of the biggest sites underneath them. So what you want to do is basically you would you would basically build a funnel and then you'd run with one of these traffic sources and you'd be making an ROI, a good enough ROI there. Then you'd go to all these other ones and you'd scale with them. Okay. This one's called Arrow Advertising. And this one's one of the biggest as well. Huge campaigns happen with this one. Now, I have this tool called Adplexity, and I even have a course about adult marketing where I share everything in depth. I can't cover everything in depth on YouTube, obviously, but I will inside that course, and I do. And it's crazy the results people get with that knowledge. So basically, guys, that's what you need to do. Okay, so you can also spy on campaigns is what I'm saying. You'll see some of the biggest campaigns for these networks. If you use the spy tool I use, you literally see the best campaigns out in the world. So here's Juicy Ads right here. Juicy Ads is another big one, so definitely recommend that. This one right here is called Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads is one of the biggest platforms on earth. So I would move them even over here for sure, okay? They're huge. So I definitely recommend them. You can do pop under, you can do banner, you can do push notification. It's crazy. This right here, guys, this is Traffic Hunt. Oh my word, Traffic Hunt. It's basically some very high quality traffic for sure. All of them have high quality. Some people say they have bot traffic. They do not have bot traffic. I mean, that can happen at times. But it's like, it outweighs how much opportunity there is. The traffic's insane, guys. Okay? So, here we are right here. This is the next one right here. Traffic Shop. You can work with them. And then you can work with direct cost per view, which means CPV, cost per view. And they're not huge or anything, but they're definitely decent. This one right here is called Traffic Force. They literally have so much traffic, guys. I think they buy their traffic, some of their formats, from these other big sites and use them on their sites. Okay? But they buy really quality. Okay? This one right here, Traffic Hoss, same thing. Really quality. Then there's Zero Park, one of the biggest in the world. And then there is Grand Slam Media, which, guys, they have membership traffic, like people in the membership areas. So if you promote a cost per sale offer, you can get people who actually have bought something before. So it's crazy. So, guys, now I'm going to explain to you my strategy I'm using to just crush it with adult. Okay? Well, one of my strategies. Get ready. Okay, guys, so here is my strategy. Okay, my strategy basically is build a funnel on ClickFunnels or whatever software you want. Doesn't fully matter. Then build an email sequence promoting a really high converting or several high converting dating offers. And you can even go on ClickBank Marketplace and find affiliate offers to promote with. Okay, it's so crazy. And then, and only then, all you got to do next is send traffic. So you pick one of these traffic sources that I've shown you in this video, and you basically focus on that and scale your campaign. If it's profitable, all you need to do now is scale to more like traffic sources and just go all over the place on these networks. And you're going to be getting millions of people per day into your funnel. And then all you need to do, it's actually super simple, is just scale it to the moon. And don't stop. And when it starts to die down, repeat what you did and do it with new offers. And you literally can make millions of dollars in this underground opportunity that no one's talking about. Okay? Because they don't want to give it up. And if you guys are interested, I have an entire course in depth on this that can literally make you millions of dollars. Okay, all you need to do is take action on the information. You can make millions. It's very possible. Anyone could do it. This is very easy. It has a learning curve at first that's like not even that hard. And it's definitely worth your time because you can make so much upside potential. So get on this. I'm telling you, it will change your life. It's such a freedom-inducing business model. And the upside's insane and there's no stress involved. People who run Facebook ads get their Facebook ads banned all the time. All you need to do is get in this opportunity, and I will see you inside. Have a wonderful night, day, morning, whatever. I will see you later, Learning Machines, and peace out.